Ever wondered how solar panels work? Let's break it down. Solar panels generate electricity when sunlight hits them, producing direct current DC. This DC electricity is then sent to an inverter, which converts it into alternating current AC suitable for home use. The AC electricity powers your home's electrical appliances. Any excess electricity generated by the solar panels can be fed back into the grid through a process called net metering. During times when your solar panels produce more electricity than your home needs, the excess electricity is sent to the grid and you receive credits on your electricity bill. When your solar panels aren't producing enough electricity, such as at night, you can draw electricity from the grid as usual. Overall, solar panels, inverters, and net metering work together to provide a sustainable and cost-effective energy solution for homes and businesses, reducing reliance on traditional fossil fuels and minimizing carbon emissions. Contact Renewables and Technologies for custom solar solution for your house and businesses.